In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Ads display campaigns the right way. Whether you're a small business owner or a marketer aiming to expand your reach, understanding Google Ads can significantly enhance your online presence and drive traffic to your site. So let's dive in and explore these essential steps together. First, you'll need to navigate to the Google Ads homepage. Simply open your web browser and type in ads.google.com. This is your gateway to crafting effective advertising campaigns, helping you connect with potential customers, and boost your online sales. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a sign in button in the top right corner. Click on this to enter your details and access your Google Ads account. If you don't have an account yet, no worries, you can easily create one by following the prompts to set up. After signing in, you'll be directed to the Google Ads homepage. Here, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard because this is where you'll manage and create all your campaigns. Direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find the Campaigns tab. Clicking on it will open up your existing campaigns. If you're just starting out, it might be empty, but that's about to change. Next, click on New Campaign to initiate the setup process. This step marks the beginning of creating your tailored ad strategies. You'll be prompted to select your campaign goals. For this tutorial, we're focusing on driving web traffic, so click on Web Traffic. This objective is ideal if you want to attract more visitors to your website, leading to potential conversions and increased interest in your offerings. Once you've selected web traffic, click Continue to proceed. Here you'll define the specific characteristics of your campaign, like selecting your target audience, setting a budget, and determining where your ads will appear. This is your chance to get creative and strategic, crafting an approach that aligns with your business objectives. The next choice you'll encounter is selecting a campaign type. Since we're focusing on display campaigns, be sure to click on Display. Display campaigns are perfect for increasing brand awareness. They allow your ads to appear across Google's vast network of websites, which is especially effective for maintaining a presence beyond search queries. This helps in capturing the attention of a wider audience. These few steps form the core of setting up an effective Google Ads display campaign. With a good strategy and a clear understanding of your goals, you'll be well on your way to driving more traffic and increasing brand awareness. Remember, regular monitoring and adjusting your campaigns based on performance insights will optimize your results over time. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.